What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a video on a Smith&Wesson Model 10, but this one's a little bit special. If you can see by those markings right there, that means it's the Royal Hong Kong Police issued pistol. Right below it, those numbers would have been the rack number. So this was a police handgun for the Royal Hong Kong. I just called them Hong Kong. I might leave that in, actually. I am sorry. The Royal Hong Kong Police Department would have been issued this pistol. Now, it is a Model 10-7. You can see right there. And based on my research, it should have been made in the 80s at some point. Now, Keith from lewd69.com is the one who's letting me borrow this pistol. Says there's no import markings on it. I haven't found any, but it has that it was made in the US, so I wonder if you import a gun back, if you don't need import. I don't know. I don't know much about that. But you used to be able to get these pistols for a very cheap price. They were a nice budget surplus pistol. It's not quite the same anymore. And I'm actually surprised how few videos I've found on this revolver. Like any Smith&Wesson, it is just a quality made firearm. You can tell that the lockup is really secure. It's got, you can see, empty, a really good double action trigger. It's heavy. I wouldn't even say it's really that heavy. But it's got a decent double action trigger. And then the single action is extremely light. Like I said, lockup is very positive. And the sights are pretty decent. Now, if some people would probably say that some sort of paint needs to go on that front sight to make them a little bit better, but they are generous sights. Now, it's got these Hogue, I believe. Yeah, Hogue rubber grips, which I think kind of ruin it. I don't like the way it looks, and they deleted the lanyard loop. I think it looks so much prettier with the walnut grips, and I'm not a big fan of finger notches in general. Also, this gun would have been blued. This was nickel plated, and as you can see, it's not done the greatest. There's some marks right there. This gun desperately needs to be refinished, in my opinion, and brought back to its glory. But it shoots just fine, so there's nothing really wrong with it other than cosmetics. But it's a 38 special, 6-shot. We're going to have some fun with it.